Step-by-step guide. Guide to settling transfer taxes in the Philippines. Let's start with the common requirements for all transfers. First, you'll need a notarized deed of transfer. This could be a deed of absolute sale for sales, deed of donation for donations, or extrajudicial settlement for inheritance. You'll also need the owner's duplicate of title, either TCT or CCT, tax declaration of land and improvements, and real property tax clearance or latest receipts. Don't forget the tax identification numbers of both transferor and transferee, valid government-issued IDs of both parties, and other supporting documents like SPA, marriage contract, or death certificate if applicable. Now for settlement of national taxes at the BIR. Capital gains tax is 6% of the higher of selling price, zonal value, or assessor's fair market value. Use BIR Form 1706, and remember the deadline is within 30 days from notarization of the deed. Documentary stamp tax is 1.5% of the same value basis using BIR Form 2000 OT, due on or before the 5th day of the month following notarization. For donations, there's a 6% donor's tax on net gifts exceeding 250,000 pesos annually using Form 1800. Estate tax is 6% of net estate using Form 1801, due within 1 year from death. The BIR procedure is straightforward. Submit your deed, IDs, title, tax declaration, and applicable forms. Pay taxes at an authorized agent bank or RDO. Then secure your certificate authorizing registration or ECAR. This is your tax clearance for registration, and you'll need it for the next steps. For settlement of local taxes at the LGU, transfer tax rates are up to 0.5% of property value for provinces or up to 0.75% for cities, especially Metro Manila. Pay within 60 days from notarization at the local treasurer's office. Remember, you must present your CAR or ECAR before payment. For title transfer at the Registry of Deeds, submit your owner's duplicate title, deed of transfer, CAR or ECAR, transfer tax receipt, RPT clearance, and IDs. Pay registration fees of approximately 0.25% of property value, plus IT and data fees. The registry will cancel the old title and issue a new one in the transferee's name. Update your tax declaration at the assessor's office by presenting your new title, CAR or ECAR, and transfer tax receipt to get a new tax declaration in the transferee's name. Here's the red flow. Prepare and notarize documents. Pay BIR taxes to get CAR or ECAR, pay local transfer tax, register with Registry of Deeds for new title, then update tax declaration. Quick comparison. Sales involve CGT and DST totaling 7.5%. Donations use donor's tax instead of CGT. Inheritance requires estate tax. All need local transfer tax and registration fees. Remember, always secure CAR or ECAR from BIR first. Keep stamped receiving copies of all submitted documents for proper tracking and future reference. That's your complete guide to settling transfer taxes in the Philippines.